Coastal Karnataka, on the southwest coast of India, for generations has nurtured icons within hospitality and industries. Kundapura, a small town within this region where Kunda means pillar and Pura means town, is home to Gurukula Public School. Gurukula School is spread over 40 acres with 70% green cover and has made sustained efforts across solar energy, waste management, water harvesting, organic plantations, 400 types of medicinal plants, a bird sanctuary and butterfly gardens. Gurukula is a CBSE school with classes across Montessori, high school and UG school, including separate hostel facility to accommodate boys and girls. With a focus on all-round development of students from academics, equal importance is also given to activities like dance, skating, basketball. Gurukula focuses on a 360-degree holistic learning, with efforts extending towards students, teachers, and even parents. Gurukula Public School, nurturing global leaders for a new world.
Hello dear students, how are you all? I think all are fine and safe at home. Last class we have studied about the number and number names and place value and the face value. So today's class we can go through the expanded form and standard form of the number. So expanded form and standard form. So in this, first we can go through the expanded form of the number. How we can expand the number? See here, expanded form. So expanded form means writing the number as the sum of the place value of its digits. So expanded form means writing the number as the sum of the place value of its digits. Writing the number as the sum of the place value of its digits. So expand once again, go through it. Expanded form means writing the number as the sum of the place value of its digits. So we can go through some of the examples of expanded form. See here, examples. First one, you know already how to read and write the number. 1550. We have to write in an expanded form. 1550. Here, this is 1 is in thousands place. 1 is in thousands place. So I have to write here 1000. After 1, 3 digits are there. Correct? After 1, 3 digits are there. So you can put here 3 zeros. Now next, we can go through the next number, that is 5. Correct? 5 after here, 2 digits are there. Tens and ones. So we can put here 2 zeros. Next, one more time. In tens place 5. Tens place 5 is there. So there are only 1 digit after 5. So only 1 zero. Next, here in ones place only 0 is there. So you can write it 0 or you can skip this also. No problem. Next, we can go through the next example. That is fifth one. 6728. 6728. Here, this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place. Ones place, tens place, hundred place, and thousands place. So here, how many thousands are there? 6,000. 6,700 plus 20. 2 times, so 20 and 8 ones. So we can write here 8 ones. So 8. So in this way, we have to write the number as the sum of the place value of its digits. Here we have to add all the place values here. We have here addition symbol. Correct? So this is called expanded form. This is called expanded form of a number. I think all of you understood about that expanded form. We can understand this once again by doing one activity. See here is a number activity board is there for the expanded form. Activity board is there. Expanded form activity board. Here say I have written one number here, that is this is thousands place, this is thousands place, and this is hundred place, this is tens place, and this is ones place. This is ones place, correct? So 8 is in thousands place. 8 is in thousands place. So the value of 8 is 8,000. You can see here value of 8 is 8,000. Correct? After 8, 3 digits are there here. 1, 2, 3 digits are there. So I have to put the 3 zeros. Value of 8 is 8,000. So I will write here value of 8 is 8,000. Next, the value of 7 is after 7, 2 digits are there. So 700. Value of 7 is 700. Correct? So 700 here. Next number is 2 here. In tens place 2 is there. Correct? Tens place 2 is there. So value of 2 is after 2 only 1 digit is there. After 2 only 1 digit is there. So value of 2 is 20. Value of 2 is 20. Next, in ones place only 6 is there. Ones place only 6 is there. So value of 6 is ones place 6 is 6 only. So here in tens place 20 and here it is 6. If we add all this, we will get once again 8,726. 8,726. Yes. Now next, you can go through the exercise problems of this. Expanded form exercise problems are given in your textbook. here 4000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 2. Here some of the place values are given here. I have to write the digit of this 4-digit number. I have to write here. See here in thousands place how much is it? 4. 1000 place is 4. So I should write here 4. Next 100 place is 700 is there. In 100 place 700 is there. So I have to write here 7. Correct? Next in tens place 80 is given. Tens place 80 is given. So I have to write here 8. Next in ones place 2 is given. Ones place 2 is given. So I have to write here 2. So together it is 4782. We can put a comma. Already I have taught you how to put a comma after 3 digit. From the last we have to start. After 3 digit we have to put a comma here. So the number is 4782. Yes, we can go through the next example, that is 3000 plus 500 plus 2. Here 3500 plus 2. See here thousands place. Which number is there in thousands place? Yes, which number is there in thousands place? In thousands place 3 is there, correct? So we have to write here 3 in thousands place. We have to write here 3 in thousands place, and in hundreds place which number is there? In hundreds place 5 is there, correct? In hundreds place 5 is there. So I have to write here 5. Next tens place. Is there any tens place here? You can see any tens place here? No. Here tens place is not given. So what I should write? If it is not given, I have to put there 0 in that place. 0. Next, ones place is 2. Ones place number is 2. So that is 3502. 3502. You can go through the next example on this. That is 5000 plus 60 plus 5. 5000 plus 60 plus 5. So here 5000. Thousands place how much is there? 5, correct? So I have to write here 5000. Next hundreds place. Hundreds place any number is given here in hundreds place? No, hundreds place number is not given here. So what I should write? As I have told you before here. No? As I have told you before, you have to write here 0 because there is no hundreds. So I have to put here 0 in this place. Next, tens place what number is given? Tens place is 6. So I should write here 6 in this place. Next, ones place. Ones place what I should write here? 5. Ones place is 5. So this is 5065. 5065. Correct? Yes. We can go through the next example, that is 7000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 5. 7000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 5. So in thousands place which number is given? Thousands place 7 is given. Thousands place 7 is given. In hundreds place 4 400 plus 50 plus 5. Here, how many thousands are there? 7,000. 7,000. How many hundreds are there? 400. How many tens are there? 5 tens, and this is 5. So, here it is 7,000. The thousands place I should write here 7 because there are 7,000 are there. Next 400, so that is 4, and this is how many tens are there? 5 tens. So 5, and how many ones are there here? Only 5 ones. So that is 7,455. 7,455. Like this, we have to write in a standard form. Correct? I think all of you understood by these examples. We can go through one of the activity for this. So here, standard form activity now. Here I write ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Once I have written all the places names, that is ones, tens, 100 and thousands place. So I have some number cards here with me. I'll pick some of the number cards and I have to place in their places. In their places I have to pick. See with me, one number card is there. That is, can you see here? How much is this? 90, correct? This is 90 means how many tens? 9 tens. 90 means 9 tens. So I have to write in tens place. So I have to write in tens place 9. 9 tens are there. How many ones are taken for ones number? That is 3. Correct? This is 3. I have to write in which place? Ones place. Ones place I have to write 3 here. Next, I'll pick one number for the hundreds place. That is with me 400 is there. 400. So I have to write in hundreds place 4. Next, I will pick one number for the thousands place. That is, how many thousands are there with me? Can you see everyone? 9,000. 9,000s are there with me. So I write in thousands place 9. Correct? So together it is how much now? 9,493. I have placed numbers in the given places here. So that is 9,493. We can go for the next number. That is, I have picked 1,000 card. That is, how many thousands are there with me? 5,000. With me, 5,000 is there. So I have to write here 5 in thousands place. What I should write? 5 in thousands place. Next, I have picked now ones place number. Ones place number, that is 1. With me, 1 is there. So I have to write in ones place 1. Next, I have picked now tens place number. That is 20. Tens place is 20. So I have to write in tens place 2 here. In tens place 2. Next, I have picked here hundreds place. That is 200. With me, 200 is there. 200. So I have to write in hundreds place 2. So together it is 5,722. 5,722. Yes, we can go to the next example of this. So that is with me 2,000 are there. 1,000 are, that is 2,000 are there with me. So I have to write in thousands place 2 and here 50 tens. I have taken now tens card, that is 50 tens. So I have to write in tens place now, correct? I have to write in tens place because 50 tens here, 5 tens are there here, that is 50. So I have to write in tens place 5. Next, I have picked up one more number card, that is 3 ones. 3 ones, so I have to write in ones place 3, ones place 3, and there are tens, hundreds place 400. 400 is there with me, so I have to write in hundreds place 4. 400 is there with me, so I have to write in hundreds place 4, that is 2,453. 2,453. Correct? Next example, fifth one, that is 5,000 is there with me. With me 5,000 is there. So I'll write in this column thousands place 5. Thousands place 5. How many hundred is there with me? How many hundreds are there with me? With me 200 is there. 200 is there. So I have to write 2 here in hundreds place 2. And how many tens? Tens place. Tens place is 50. 50 is given here, means I have to write here 5 tens. 50 is given, so 5 tens, and in ones place 2 ones. Ones place 2 ones. 2 ones, so I have to write here 2. So that is 5,252. 5,252. Like this, we can write the standard form of the numbers. So today's class we have studied the expanded form, correct? Expanded form and standard form of the number, or we can call this as short form also. Expanded form you studied and standard form you studied. So everyone go through the exercise which is given in your textbook, that is exercise 1.3. Already I have told you before, exercise 1.3. You work out in your textbook. First way, that is write the following in an expanded form. Write the following in a expanded form. Work